Stephen Covey once said, "The key to the ability to change is the changeless sense of who you are, what you are about, and what you value." Change, as always, has been an integral part of life. It brings varied meanings to different people. To the fearful ones, it is abandoning with reluctance the safety of their comfort zone for an unknown territory. It could mean giving up a predictable and structured life over a future that is unsettling. With change comes the feelings of displacement and disorientation. We simply look at it as another challenge, one that is greater than we had in the past. To test our mettle, to see how far we still can go with our abilities and skills, but this time with deeper passion, clearer purpose, and stronger value.
Worshipful Master, it now remains for me to present to you the goblet, the emblem of power. In the hands of the Master, it may be made the instrument of great good or of greater evil. With it, the Master governs his lodge, and the welfare and prosperity of your lodge in a great measure will depend upon its judicious use. In your hands, I am confident that it will be wielded for the best interest of your brethren. Master, behold your brethren. Brethren, behold your Master.
As a brethren of the 82, as our team say, Freemasonry, bringing men to harmony and brotherly love, making us a better man for better society. So I hope that harmony and brotherly love will prevail between us. Brethren of Camarines Lodge 82, we must set aside our personal interests, but work together for the better of our lodge, making us a better brethren of Camarines Lodge 82, making us a better for society. and guests who occasion this 11th public installation, and God bless us all always.